To convert an image into black and white. We have here the red bicycle, and we go to the adjustments panel and we choose black and white. Now there are presets that you can choose, like if you wanted to affect the green colors in the image, if you wanted to make an infrared type image, if you wanted to make an adjustment to the yellow filters. You could also affect, if you wanted to affect the red colors, you could click onto the red slider bar. If you wanted to affect the greens, or if you wanted to affect the cyans, so you can play around with it. You can also tint the image. So here by clicking tint, now everything that I have is a sepia tone. Or if you wanted to choose, here's a color picker, if you wanted to have more yellow, or if you wanted to have a pink or a magenta, you can kind of play around with the different tints. So go ahead and change the color of that image to black and white, and tint it, make adjustments, just have fun.